Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddie. Guess what we have today? Slime. Isn't that fun? We made it ourselves. It was really easy. And guess what? It's taste safe. Do you know what that means? That means if it's a toddler or a baby and they play with it and they accidentally put some in their mouth like babies do, it won't hurt them. We don't really want them to eat it, but it won't hurt them if they do get some in their mouth. So I want to show you how to make this. Look we made yellow and we made red. Oh, it's slime. Look at that. And we made green. So I want to show you how we made it, and then we can play with it. So all we did was, oh, I forgot my extra container. Well, let's take this slime out of this one and we'll use this bowl. So I bought some psyllium husk, and you can just buy that at the health food store. It's good for fiber for your body. So we put 1 tablespoon of that in a bowl. Then we put 1 cup of water. See how easy it is? It's very easy to make this. And then we stirred it around like this. And then if you want to add food coloring, you don't have to add food coloring. You just play with the slime like it is. But we wanted to make it a little colorful. Oh, you want to see this, Freddie? Oh, look, I'm going to put some red in there. Okay, so let's put the lid back on. Freddie's like, what are you doing, Mama? Okay, so let's mix it up. So see, we've made it all like that. And then all you do, the adult in your family can put it in the microwave. And just start with 1 minute and microwave it. And then do another minute. Most of mine only took about 2 minutes to do in the microwave. So, and what happens is when they first come out of the microwave, they're kind of thick. But then they get really, really thick as they cool down. And be sure to cool them down before you let your toddler or your child play with them, because it'll be too hot. So I'm going to put Freddie down here so I can play with these. So you see I put the green one in here. And it just moves around. Now I'm going to put I can't put that one in there. That's the one I haven't cooked yet. Now I'm going to put the blue one in here. Now I'm going to put the yellow one in here. Now I'm going to put the red one in here. So look I have a whole rainbow full of colorful slime. Isn't that fun? And you can play with it. Oh, it feels so good. And remember how great sensory things are for your brain connections? Makes you really smart. So you can put spoons and scoops or just use your hands. It feels so good. You know, this green one, it's still warm a little bit. It's not too hot. So it feels really good to play with. I like to do it. Ah, look at this. It's slime. Ooh. Wasn't that easy to make? So buy some psyllium husk. 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of water. Put it in your microwave and you've got slime. Perfectly safe slime. Have fun and have a slimy, colorful day. Woo!